Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll dive into a fascinating problem related to time complexity in C#. So, the problem we're going to tackle on this video revolves around understanding the inner workings of a specific code snippet. The code in question is array, order, take, k, dot to array, and our main concern is determining its time complexity. Additionally, we're curious to find out if LINQ treats this operation as a quick select or if it initiates a full array sorting process with a complexity of O and log n. Intriguing problem, don't you think? Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. The key insight here is that the behavior we mentioned is not explicitly guaranteed by the documentation. However, according to the current implementation, LINQ utilizes a partial quicksort for .OrderBy .skip take operations, while employs quick select for .OrderBy .first last element add operations. Specifically, for the .OrderBy take scenario, the time complexity is identified as O in plus k log k, on average in O in superscript 2, in a worst-case scenario. This optimization was intentionally introduced in a pull request back in 2016, and it has been a staple feature since then. Isn't that cool how these optimizations can significantly impact performance? In summary, we've explored the intriguing problem of determining the time complexity of a specific code snippet in C#. By understanding the nuances of LINQ's behavior, we uncovered that the .OrderBy take k operation is more efficient than initially perceived. So, next time we're working with similar operations, keep in mind the behind-the-scenes optimizations that could be at play. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like this video, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!